Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering down the watch and removing the band so nothing shifts during repair. Once done, inspect the scratch under bright light to decide if it's surface level or deeper. That determines the method. Make sure to use a soft towel and mask delicate sensors. Now clean the area with 90% isopropyl and a microfiber to remove oils. This prevents contaminants from causing new marks. Finally, prepare a small felt pad and a pea-sized amount of plastic polish. You'll use gentle, controlled motion next. You should now gently polish the affected area using the felt pad with tiny dots of polish. Work in slow circular motions for about 10 to 20 seconds per pass so heat builds modestly and the compound levels the surface. Once a pass is done, wipe residue with a clean microfiber and inspect. Make sure to avoid pressing on seams or the crown. Those spots seal differently. If the scratch remains, repeat up to 3 cycles. Each will gradually reduce visibility while preserving surrounding coatings. You finish by thoroughly cleaning the watch face and assessing results. Then apply a thin screen protector or tempered glass to hide small imperfections and prevent future damage. If the scratch penetrates the glass or affects touch and sensors, stop. This requires professional repair or an Apple service appointment. Make sure to monitor for any clouding or rainbowing. If you see it, stop polishing immediately, clean with isopropyl, and switch to a protector instead of more abrasive work. That protects function and warranty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.